Once upon a time in the quiet kingdom of Elora, a mysterious silver basket appeared by the riverbank, and inside it, the most extraordinary baby slept, glowing faintly under the moonlight. Little did anyone know, this child was destined for magic beyond imagination. The villagers whispered as the midwife carefully picked up the child. "Who is she?" they murmured. The baby's tiny eyes sparkled as if holding secrets of a world unseen. Her small hands grasped the moonlight, and the wind seemed to bow to her presence. The midwife named her Zara, the child of the silver basket. Years passed and Zara grew into a kind, curious little girl, but there was something unusual about her. Wherever she went, flowers would bloom, birds would follow, and laughter seemed to dance in the air. The villagers were enchanted by her charm, but no one knew the true source of her magic. Elora, the kind woman who had taken Zara in, watched her closely. She had always sensed the magic surrounding the child. "You are special, Zara," she whispered one morning, brushing a stray lock of hair from the girl's face. But even Elora could not have imagined the destiny that awaited her little ward. In a quiet corner of the cottage rested the silver basket. Often Zara would touch it, feeling warmth and love radiating from within. One evening, as moonlight poured through the window, a soft glow began to rise from the basket. Zara leaned closer, gasping as she noticed a small golden emblem appear on its surface. A silent voice seemed to whisper, "Your time is coming." Curiosity tugged at Zara. She stepped outside into the moonlit forest, where magical creatures stirred in the shadows. A white deer with golden antlers emerged from behind the trees. Its eyes glimmered with knowledge. The deer bowed before her. It was as if the forest itself recognized the magic within Zara. Her heart raced. She knew something incredible was about to begin. And so, Princess Zara's journey had begun. A journey of wonder, courage, and the magic that resides in every kind heart. What adventures awaited her? What secrets did the silver basket truly hold? Only time would tell, but one thing was certain. Her story was only just beginning. Good night, little dreamers. Close your eyes, and let your hearts wander with Princess Zara into a world of magic and endless possibility.